Today, we take a trip to the very beautiful Chikmagalur, also known as the coffee land of Karnataka, which is famous for its lush green forest and tall mountains. Although this is not the first time for me visiting this place, I was super excited this time as I'll be staying in a tree house located amidst the vast coffee plantation, giving a perfect panoramic view of the Western Ghats. Throughout the whole trip, it never stopped drizzling. We walked to our tree house, and when I saw the surrounding, I was completely blown away by the beautiful nature surrounding this place. I really didn't want to spend the whole day staying inside the treehouse, so we decided to go for a short little hike into the jungle behind this place. Before we left for the hike, we had a plate of delicious crispy snacks and a fine cup of coffee. It was one of the best coffee I had in a very long time, which was freshly made in the plantation. It was still drizzling throughout our hike. I was sure that I won't be able to capture much in this situation due to the mist, but I still wanted to give it a try. The property staff had cautioned us about the leeches we might encounter, so we took all precautions we could before the hike. jungle vibe was definitely something beautiful and unique. We could spot numerous wildflowers and creatures on the way. It started raining very heavily towards the end, and the mist was making it completely impossible for me to shoot anything. So we decided to go back to our treehouse. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till I'm back with my next one, take care and goodbye.